So hey my wonderful kids, let's construct a rectangle of length of any side that is 8 centimeter and the diagonal is 10 centimeter. So for this, as you all know, that first of all we have to draw the rough figure. Okay, now as it is, one side is 8 centimeter. So let's say one side is 8 centimeter PQ and its side we don't know, but its diagonal is 10 centimeter. Okay, so this is our freehand drawing. Okay, PQRS. So this is the rectangle figure, that is rough figure, and let's draw the length, any length, that is 8 centimeter. Yes, so this is PQ 8 centimeter. Now as you know, rectangle is having 90-degree angle, so I will be constructing 90-degree at P. At P I have drawn an arc for constructing 60-degree, then 120, then 90-degree, as you know the process. So at P we will be constructing 90-degree. Yeah, that process is done. Now I will be joining this perpendicular. Yes, now I will be taking 10 centimeter by using my ruler. Please hold your ruler properly. And yeah, I have adjusted my compass. You can see 10 centimeter. Please adjust your compass very properly. So this compass is adjusted to 10 centimeter. Now from Q I will be taking the radius of 10 centimeter and I will be drawing like this. Now I have to extend this perpendicular. Okay, like this. Now I will be joining Q to this point, and according to my figure, actually I have drawn from P, okay, but as I have drawn from Q, so it will be S. Sorry for the mistake. Now 90-degree from Q. Okay, now I will be drawing this. Now simply you can do like this, measure this with the help of your compass, adjust your compass and measure this, and you can draw an arc here and you can join R and S. In this way your diagonal with 10 centimeter and this one of its side 8 centimeter rectangle is ready.